I'm Ziggy.
I'm Bull. We're the Bayou Burger Boys. This is Bayou Acadiana, one of the most famous bayous in Louisiana and Acadiana. In America, for that matter. In the world. We chose it to be our bayou for the Bayou Burger Boys. This is only the beginning. We will start our crusade to seek out the best burgers in all the land, across Acadiana, then across Louisiana, then across the Gulf Coast, possibly even across North America and beyond.
That's right.
So, look out, burger joints. We're coming for you.
Now, we're still working on our theme music. Bull's friend Slicks is going to be hooking us up eventually, but until then, we got to have some music. So I think since we're the Bayou Boys, we could probably get away with using Bayou Man.
Back in town, radical scene.
I don't know.
Bringing the old school feel with just the right jump. Hip hop. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, I'm a Bayou man. Bayou man. In the Bayou lane. In the Bayou lane. I got the master plan. Master plan. In this Creole land. In this Creole land. See, we have fun. We have fun. Y'all come ride with me. Come ride with me. Spreading Saudi cold love. Saudi cold love. Everywhere we be. Everywhere I go. Bon ton roulation. Bon ton roulation. A bon ton roulation. Bon ton roulation. Ça c'est bon. Ça c'est bon. Oh, ça c'est bon, cher. Ça c'est bon, cher. Pull that cardion. Who that is? Hardware boy. Oh, I'm a Bayou man. Bayou man. In a Bayou lane. In a Bayou lane. I got the master plan. Master plan. In this Creole lane. In this Creole lane.
Yep. This place were any more boring, you'd be an old folks' home.
Yeah, and Carla had told us to make sure to get some interesting footage here, but nope, it wasn't to be had. I wanted to get a time lapse, but there weren't even people moving around, so that would be boring. And I didn't even feel like breaking out the drone. It was so boring over here.
We go by now. Bye!
So much for the Lapin cook-off in Washington, Louisiana. Now we're gonna head for Opelousas for the chili cook-off.
Chili, loves me some chili. I like the chili.
Can't believe we just walked in here and this is what's playing.
I can hear the jukebox play. I just can't understand what it's saying.
That's where I come. Just like that. Ooh, like that.
Okay, so things really sucked in Washington, so we came to Opelousas, and it's more hopping here, but still not as hopping as most of our festivals.
No. This isn't actually technically a festival, so you can't hold a lack of attendance. I can't say.
Pick your
So, of course, we were at the chili cook-off, and it was kind of boring, but we did have some good chili from Bull's Friends, and they had two different kinds of chili, one of them with beans in it, and a little bonus of having some chopped up carrots in it, and I like that one better, whereas Bull preferred the other one, which was straight meat. And what I liked better about the straight meat one was that it had actual chunks of meat instead of just being ground meat. But overall, I preferred the other one, even though it had beans.
I like the meat chili. It was spicier.
And then we didn't turn on the camera here, and we just missed some gold, for which Bull's wife Carla will probably, she'll give it to us for this. We're at Sonic, and when he unwrapped his straw, he blew the straw wrapper at me, like little kids do at school. And we missed that. We should have had that on video. Then right after that, I'm digging the limes out of my Diet Cherry Limeade, and I was lamenting about how small they are, and Bull says,
limes don't grow on trees. not Balusas anyway.
Yeah.
People, please.
It's hard to find good help.
It's hard to find help, period. You want good help, you barking up the wrong tree. Okay, time to get back on the road.
And we're live now. Horn works, try your lights. Yeah, we're driving through beautiful Opelousas. Hey, there's my buddy's coffee shop, Brew and Scoop. I've had coffee there once or twice. It was pretty good. And there's Taco Bell. Oh, if I had $1 for every Saturday night spent in that parking lot when I was in high school.
Look here, after your wife just fed you those beans before we went out there, I don't know if I can forgive her for that. Don't be talking about getting no Taco Bell.
Yo quiero Taco Bell. Taco Bell, heaven or hell. Welcome to the border. Can I take your order? Yes, we're cruising the magical strip in Opelousas. The never-ending loop we used to drive from Sonic to McDonald's to Taco Bell to Sonic to McDonald's to Taco Bell. Non-stop, back and forth.
And what I was wanting to say is that, sorry we didn't have better video of the chili cook-off, but they were playing music the whole time, and you boys don't need no copyright strikes, especially just getting started.
Exactly. We are approaching the legendary, world famous, I don't know how world famous, but China Wok. It is the best Chinese takeout and the only Chinese delivery in Opelousas. And as we cruise up, you're gonna go turn around that parking lot, but I'm gonna get a shot right here of the scooter. You saw the scooter in there.
I saw it.
That scooter has a story. I don't know. I personally don't know the story, or well, I know the story. I haven't researched it or anything, but my wife says that she's seen the story online that supposedly that scooter broke down over here. I don't know if it was used for deliveries or not, but it broke down over here like, I don't know, like a year or so ago, and it's been sitting inside the store ever since. So that scooter has its own infamy of sitting inside the restaurant.
Man.
But like I said, this is the best Chinese takeout and the only delivery in Opelousas, but it's the best and it's amazing. And the food is very relatively low cost, and people come from all over. The other night we came over here to pick up takeout, and there was a guy that came in here, and we joked about the little menu that says grand opening. He says, man, he said, grand opening? I've been coming over here for 8 years. This ain't no grand opening. And I said, yeah. I said, we come from Washington. He says, dude, I came from Sunset to come get this.
Wow. Must be good. Did you notice this car for sale?
Yep.
Did you see the price?
$17,000.
Isn't that what they sell for new?
I think so.
on s'en va?